guys, bago ako nakabalik sa Siargao, so grabe na akong pangitomte. Tingnan nyo naman to, my skin is so uneven, but this is the first time I'm loving my glow. And right now, I'm in Bali. Look at the view from my hotel room. Afam na afam ang atake, guys. Tinapos lahat ng beaches sa ASEAN. Charing, anyway, di ba usually when we get back from the beach, tapos nangitim tayo, automatic haggard talaga, guys, because you're not on your usual skin tone. But this time, guys, this is the first time I'm loving my tan. I've been using the Gluta Complex from Sol White. Guys, I really love this product because this is FDA approved. If you want an instant glow, instantly radiant yung skin nyo, guys, go for this, guys. And since it's just my 3rd day since I got back from Siargao, obviously, I wouldn't go back on my skin tone overnight. I just really love my glow lately, guys. So this has 800 mg, and then you can compare my skin from when I just got from Siargao compared to now. My gosh, guys, you can already see the instant glow. I take 1 capsule each day because again, this has a lot of glutathione. And you know what's the best part about this product, guys? They have a sale on Shopee and it's on buy one take one. So if you shop from April 20 to April 26, you can get this one on buy one get one sale. Glow agelessly bright with Sol White, diba bongga?